Mediterranean summer salad. Quick, healthy, and easy. Hi everyone, welcome to Viva la Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Mediterranean summer salad. This is a classic in a lot of those Mediterranean countries, especially the countries also along the Adriatic Sea, such as Montenegro, Croatia. Very nice, fresh, refreshing salad. And we're going to give it a little Mediterranean twist with some olives and walnuts. So as you can see, the ingredients are pretty simple. All we need to use is some cucumbers, some tomatoes, which again, you can chop to your liking. I always like going small because it just gives it a nice little taste that you savor more. And then some bell peppers. I like red peppers, excuse me, but you can use orange or yellow, whatever you have at home. And last but not least, again, that secret boost is the olive and the walnut. And now for the cheese lovers, if you do like to add cheese, you can go ahead and add cheese. I like to use goat, but you can also use feta cheese, gorgonzola cheese, and it also gives it a nice little extra taste. So as you can see, it's very simple. I already have everything ready to go and prepared. Usually the chopping will take you about two to 3 minutes. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and integrate everything into a larger bowl. So we'll add the cucumbers, and then we're gonna add in these tomatoes, which I've already chopped, and the bell peppers. And as we add those, what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna put in some olive oil, which, you know, you can use any olive oil. I'm using this extra virgin olive oil from Greece. And just a little bit to give it some taste. You don't want to overpower the flavors, just a little bit. And if you had some vinegar, it can be any type of vinegar, rice vinegar, red wine vinegar. I'm using today a little bit of white wine vinegar just to give it a little splash. But again, it's totally up to you. If you don't have any vinegar, you can just put some olive oil. And you're also going to want to put in some seasoning. I personally like to use Italian seasoning. But if you don't, oregano also works quite well. So we'll go ahead and give it a nice little season. Make sure it's evenly spread. And then we're gonna wanna go ahead and mix it. At that point, we'll go ahead and put it on our plate. And as we have it on our plate, what I like to do is I like to add in some olives. Could be any type of olive. Today I'm using just good old green olives, and it gives a nice little flavor to the salad. So just add a few to kind of give it some more taste. And as you can see, I didn't add any salt to this salad because the olive in essence has that salt. And then with the cheese, we're gonna give it an extra little flavor. But if you did wanna put salt, you can, but I personally prefer not to put any salt because the flavors are just amazing. Super, vrlo dobro, as they would say in Serbian or Croatian, so we don't really need it. And then we'll also want to include some walnuts. And of course, some cheese. There you have it, a quick, healthy, and easy Mediterranean summer salad that you can enjoy as a great starter, or as a side, or as an appetizer, or hey, even as a snack. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, ring that bell, hit subscribe, share it with your friends and family, and enjoy.